Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Eldorado.gg GTA 5 on your Xbox or PS5 console. First, open the Eldorado website and log into your account. Once you are signed in, look at the top of the page and click on the Accounts option. From the menu, select GTA 5 to see all available accounts for the game. After that, look at the top menu in the Account section and click on the Device option. A drop-down menu will appear. Select either PS5 or Xbox, depending on the console you use. This will filter the results and show accounts that work with your platform. Now, take a moment to find a trusted seller. It is always best to choose someone with a high rating and good reviews from previous buyers. This helps make the process smoother and more reliable. Once you find a suitable account, complete the purchase. Next, go to your PS5 or Xbox and open the Profile section. Create and add a new user on the console. After the new profile is ready, log in using the email address and password provided by the Eldorado seller. Once the account is linked on your console, launch GTA 5. The game will automatically sync with the modded Rockstar Games Social Club profile connected to that account. Wait for everything to load, and then you can start playing with the account you purchased. Thanks for watching.